How to remove all the drawings on TradingView. Are you guys facing issue to remove your drawings on TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your device. Once you open the TradingView, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now right click on your chart. Once you right click, you can see the option for remove drawings. If you want to remove drawings, then just simply tap on remove drawings. Your all drawings will be removed from the chart. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna remove drawings on TradingView at once. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.